Welcome to my presentation on the information processing model. Today, I would like for you to think about this model just like football. There are 4 stages in the information processing model that each build upon each other. It starts out with environment and senses, which leads to your sensory register, which then leads to your immediate and working memory, which ultimately leads into long-term memory and self-concept. Today, I would like you to think about this model in terms of a quarterback. First, we start with our environment and senses. The quarterback's senses are activated out on the field before the game even starts. The smell of the fresh grass on the field, the fans cheering and booing, the feelings of excitement and pressure, the positions of the other players on the field, the plays and order from the coach, all of these things filter into the quarterback's sensory register. The quarterback must make sure he only takes in the important information that he'll need to activate his working memory. The fans cheering and booing could cause a distraction. He needs to be able to turn off that noise and focus on what is going to be important for the other players and the game. The environment and senses all filter into the sensory register, which help activate the immediate and working memory. The quarterback must take the important things from his sensory register into his immediate and working memory in order to read and prepare plays, call plays, throw the ball, encourage his teammates, project what the other team will do, and make quick decisions that benefit his team. All of those things will ultimately lead into the quarterback's long-term and self-concept stage. To bring the immediate and working memory into long-term storage, the quarterback must actively reflect. Any constructive feedback influences self-concept. Sharing a win with their team, receiving feedback from the coach on how to improve, receiving feedback from teammates on what you did well and what you could do better next time, and practicing and improving plays can all help the quarterback filter this information into his long-term memory. Let's recap. The 4 stages of information processing are the environment and senses. This is where your brain uses senses to gather information about an experience. These senses are then stored in the sensory register. The sensory register retains sensory information to be placed in immediate and working memory. The immediate and working memory stage, this is where the quarterback prepares plays, reads them, calls them out to his team, and throws the ball. This filters into long-term memory and self-concept, where you celebrate a win with your team. Receiving feedback helps cement immediate and working memory into long-term storage. Hope you enjoyed!